Hello everyone friends, today I'll show you how to fix the error. This app isn't available on your Android version. Usually this happens because your Android version is too old for a specific app in the Play Store. There can also be issues with the Play Store itself, so you can try simply updating Android. To do this, you'll need to go to Settings, scroll to the very bottom, and here there's System Updates or System, and there you'll find System Updates. Here specifically, you tap like this and accordingly tap and let's see, check updates. I have automatic set here, and accordingly I have firmware that was updated 2 weeks ago. Here specifically on this phone. That's why everything's okay for me with this. If that doesn't help you, then you can try resetting Google Play Services settings. To do this, search for services or just services, and here look for Google Play Services. Tap the three dots and uninstall updates. Do the same with the Play Store. Google Play Store, yes, three dots and uninstall updates. After that, try downloading there. And you might have, it could be that you simply don't get updates from your phone's manufacturer. In that case, the only option is to change to a newer phone or somehow install a new operating system through other workarounds. Alright everyone, bye.